It's a visual inspection of everything that's going on in their home. Here's what we realized about homeowners. Most of them are not good stewards of their home. They buy a house and they really don't understand how the things that make the house operate and come to life work. And they certainly don't understand how to maintain them, or the longevity or life expectancy of these items, and or how to truly evaluate the condition, age and condition of those items in the home. And so what we did is we created this little tool in which a technician or a comfort advisor could come into the house and do a quick assessment of everything that they can lay their eyes on, and render a score to the customer so that the customer can kind of keep things in mind. And by doing this every year on a tune-up or on any sales call, it was a value add, and it basically lifted up what we call our position of trust and our competency and our credibility in the mind of the customer. So let's go ahead and take a look at the slide deck here and see what it is that we have. And again, this is the essential home systems evaluation. We're going to look at all of the systems of the home, not just the things that you do as a plumber or as an electrician or as a heating and air conditioning contractor. Okay, so based on a visual inspection and technical evaluation, meaning we're not pulling out tools and testing things, although in some cases as a technician you may have done that as part of the tune-up or the repair. When you're there, you can include that in your evaluation. But as a comfort advisor or as a home performance comfort advisor or indoor air quality technician, I'm probably not doing that, right? So it's basically on a visual inspection and taking what I know about systems and providing a technical evaluation of them.